In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's AI video generator. If you have used Canva, you must know how frustrating it can be to find stock footages as well as stock images. But Canva has integrated incredibly powerful AI tools to let you turn a simple text prompt into high quality professional video clips in just a matter of seconds. By the end of this short guide, you'll be able to create stunning content for your social media, presentation, marketing campaign without any prior experience. So let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to canva.ai. If you don't already have an account, simply sign up using your Google account or just log in with your account. As soon as you're in, this is your dashboard. Now in your dashboard, you'll see a lot of things. Right here is where you search templates. But what you need to do is click on this video icon right here, which will show you all the templates regarding the videos. And as you can see, you can check out all the different video effects that Canva provides. But the thing is, you want to make your own. So we're going to head over to the home page, click on this video icon, then you gotta select an aspect ratio or the format of the video that you're looking for. I'm just going to choose the landscape video option. If you want traditional widescreen YouTube video, then you can go ahead, select that. You can even use a portrait standard for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Selecting the right canvas gives you the perfect size of your final product, making it look flawless. Now, as soon as your blank project opens up, look at the left side, which is this panel right here. Click on the apps option, which is the last option in your list. Search for Magic Media, and then you'll see this icon right here, which is an AI image logo. Just click on that, and here you can describe what you want to create. Once you have selected what kind of media are you generating, like right now it's on image tab, but if you want to generate videos, simply click on videos option, and here you can describe exactly what you're looking for. But make sure the description is good. The secret to getting an incredible AI video is all in how you write your prompt. So instead of writing a cat, you want to be specific. Try writing something like a cinematic shot of a cat laying down on a couch, licking its paw. If you want to take a step further into this, you can specify the color of the cat, the breed of the cat, etc. And if you're running low on ideas, simply click on Inspire Me button and it will give you a prompt to work with. Now, once you have a prompt, simply click on the generate video button and wait for it to create the video for you. Alright, so check out this result. Here's what it looks like. The prompt was something about a waterfall in the middle of jungle. To add it into your timeline, just click on it and it will be added. As you can see, if I play it over here, you can see it pretty clearly that how good it looks. I mean, the graphic, the color, the physics, it's working. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can even click on this generate again button to generate using the same prompt. Now, once you have got your video ready, you can add other elements, or if you want, you can create new clips as well to add into your timeline. Now, once you are done with the entire video, satisfied with whatever you've got, to download it, all you need to do is click on the share button, click on the download option, and it will ask you to select the file type. Right now you've just got MP4, and that's it. You can choose a higher video quality if you have got the premium, or else you can simply click on download to download this entire project. Now, that was one way to generate video, but there's another way in which you can create videos using the Canva AI. Go back to your home page, click on Canva AI from your sidebar, and this time around it will open up this chart right here. It lets you create designs, images, documents, and even video clips, which is what we are going to use. So click on video clip option right below the text box, and here's where something changes, which is you get options now. Instead of just typing in a prompt, you get a hold of what exactly you're making. So first option in your selection list is the quality of your video clip. So click on that, and there are three options. First is standard, second one is premium, which is what is selected right now, and the third one is ultra, which is what you can select if you have got Canva premium. Next up, there's the style option. It showcases what style of video are we going to create. There are different options like animated or cartoon. There's black and white, cyberpunk, 3D render, photorealistic, and cinematic. So, if you're trying to create video clips for something aesthetic, you can go right ahead with cinematic or photorealistic. But if you're looking for something more fun or abstract, then you can go with animated or cartoon. I'm going to try to create an animated video clip. Next up is the aspect ratio, whether you want a portrait or a landscape. Right now, only landscape is available, portrait will be coming soon. After which, you have the option to choose whether or not you want any audio in your clips. By default, it has no audio, but if you want, you can add audio as well. So let's try that out. And for the next option, we have got the framing of the video, like how the camera should be set up, whether you want a wide shot video clip, a close up, top down shot, POV shot, etc. So what I'm going to create is a top down shot, after which you have got the lighting option as well. So you have 4 to 5 different options. There's the soft lighting, there's hard light, dark lighting, meaning there's a source of light but the entire background would be dark, and there's the cool night light and the golden hour, which is the best out of all of them. So that's what I'm gonna select, and what's left is just to describe my idea of what I'm trying to create. This is my prompt, basically a girl sitting in a corner of the library and there's sunlight falling onto her face and she's just reading the book. Once you've got your idea, simply click on the submit button and wait for AI to do its thing. Okay, so let's check out the results together, and this is what it looks like. So that was the video clip. It followed all the instruction except it didn't create any audio because it told me that if I were to add an audio, then it would have to use Ultra AI, meaning it would use up a lot of my monthly AI credits. So I didn't want that. That's why I asked it to create a video clip without any audio. Now to download this video clip, all you need to do is click on this download button and that's it. It will be downloaded. And to use it in any of your videos, you can use this Canva editor, which will import it into your projects. So that was how you can use Canva AI to create videos for you. Hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.